Hi, I'm Emma and I'm a senior sexual health nurse who works here at LloydsPharmacy Online Doctor. Today, I'm going to talk to you about sexually transmitted infections, how to prevent getting them, and some advice on getting tested. Sexually transmitted infections, or STIs, are caused by bacteria or viruses passed between people through unprotected sex, genital contact, or sharing sex toys. The most common STIs in England include chlamydia, genital warts, gonorrhea, and genital herpes. The problem with STIs is that you may not have any symptoms, so you might not even know you have one. If left untreated, STIs can lead to more serious complications. That's why it's important to take steps to stop getting or passing on STIs and to get tested regularly. So, what can you do to protect your sexual health? The first is using condoms. Condoms are an effective way of reducing your risk of getting an STI. For more information on correct condom use and other available barrier methods, please check out the advice on our website. Secondly, consider vaccinations. Hepatitis A and hepatitis B vaccinations are available for people who have an increased risk of getting these infections. You can also get vaccinated against HPV. This can help protect against genital warts and certain types of cancer. The final thing is to test, and to keep testing. You need to get tested regularly to check if you have STIs. We would recommend getting tested once a year as a minimum. Here at Online Doctor, we have an easy-to-use STI testing service. You can test for HIV, syphilis, chlamydia, gonorrhea, and trichomonas. If you're at risk of other STIs, we'll let you know which ones and provide you with information on which services can help. Simply request a test kit online and we'll deliver it discreetly to your door with all the instructions and equipment needed to collect your sample. You then send it back to our partner lab via free post in the packaging provided. Once the lab has your samples, you'll get your results within 3 working days. Depending on the outcome of your result, we can offer treatment or let you know where it's best to get treatment, as well as providing you support and advice. Visit our website to find out more. I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for listening.